bring you an health tip dealing with treating the liver. In other words, cleansing the liver. Now, here we have a picture of the liver showing us the liver as it is being positioned within the human body. We see the liver, the parts being shown, important parts, the inferior vena cava, the aorta, that is responsible for bringing and taking away blood from the liver. You have the hepatic artery, we have the portal vein, and we have the gallbladder. So those are the important parts of the liver. Now, it is important that we understand the functions of a healthy liver, and we see that there are quite a lot. First of all, moving in a clockwise direction, we see that the liver is responsible for production and detoxification of hormones. We also see that the red blood cells decomposition takes place in the liver. The synthesis of cholesterol also takes place there. Plus, we have regulation and storage of glycogen. Proteins synthesis also takes place in the liver. Storage of iron is also another function. Bile production is also, or bile is also produced from the liver, the gallbladder. And then we have toxin deactivation. Then we have glucose is being released into the blood. And finally, we have vitamins. The absorption is being helped in the liver. So the liver has quite a few important functions. But we know because of our lifestyle and the way we eat and drink and do everything, the liver can be affected. And we find that these are the comparison with regards to look what a healthy liver should look like as compared to a fatty liver, a liver that has cirrhosis, and we have a liver that is fibrosis, as well as a cancerous liver. So we have these different forms of livers uh, based on disease, etc. Now, what we have to look at is how we can cleanse the liver through the foods that we use. Some of the foods that we use that could help cleanse the liver. We have the grapefruit, we have beets, we have carrots, we have green tea, we have apples, we have broccoli, lemons and limes, arugula, walnuts, cabbage, cauliflower, avocado, spinach, garlic, and turmeric. Now, several of these can be used as juices, but as we look at the use of these, we may not be able to use all of them at any one time, but these are important in the cleaning or the cleansing of the liver. So, in summary, we see that we can have, we all started with a healthy liver, but because of the abuse, misuse of food and our lifestyle, our livers can become diseased. As we partake of these different food items, cleansing can take place. So my recommendation or my suggestion to you is that you pay attention to the list of the different foods that would help you to maintain a healthy liver. Now, there might be a couple more, but these are the important ones that you can obtain. Many of them you can obtain from your local market. Others you may have to purchase in the supermarket because some of this stuff are not grown down in the tropical country, but they can be obtained nonetheless. So thank you so much. as you pay attention to how you can go about cleansing the liver, which is very important as we have seen based on the many functions that the liver has to carry out.